Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is content disclosure and ads in TikTok. So here we have what is the content disclosure setting. So basically this means that the content disclosure setting allows you to add disclosure to your post that clearly indicates that it's sponsored or commercial in nature. So this will include content that promotes a brand, product or service or whatever you're promoting in your own business and posted brand content on behalf of the third party such as a company. So here I have examples on how this would look like. So it's something like this when it's sponsored by a telecommunication company or a beauty company or other else. So they enable their brands or their versions of their videos to have content disclosure in their ads right here, because these ones are sponsored videos, and as you can see they are trying to sell you something and showcase a product. So there you go guys, that is the content disclosure and ads in TikTok. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.